is this stuff?
His jerking off lotion. That's what it looks like when he's done.
Why though?
What? What the hell? No, don't hurt. That's I'm trying to beat the fog machine. It's like man versus machine, Tyler.
Are you stupid?
It's pretty good, but I feel like I could do better. What are you doing? No.
Why do you keep getting?
No!
How much time do you spend in my room?
Not a lot. Just enough amount of time. The normal amount of time people spend in your room.
How many people? You guys don't know anybody.
I know people.
You don't know anybody.
I know people.
Don't lie.
But I'm a faggot because I'm vaping.
I know you're a faggot. It's like you don't have to vape to know that.
Well, I didn't even beat the machine yet, Tyler.
I don't care. Get out of my room.
Don't you care about man versus machine? Like, what if these things start taking over? What are you doing? What is... Just go.
I embrace the sweet kiss of death.
I'm not after you.
Tyler, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Are those door locks?
Wait, what? You buying a door lock?
Get the fuck out of my room!
I'm not in your room, I'm in your closet.
Get out.
I think you're just blowing smoke. Ah! I like these doors unlocked so I can check in on my employees. Whoa, don't put any holes in the wall. I'm very mindful and careful about holes being in these walls. Is there an outlet around here for this, or I just have to like plug it into the, like straight into the...
Really brings the room together, doesn't it?
Adds a lot of nice color.
Finally. Yes.
Amazon Prime here, delivery by Amazon Prime.
Thank you. I've been waiting for
Amazon Prime delivery service. You want it opened?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Amazon Prime.
Here's your tip.
What is this? Just to open things? So I don't have to...
Yeah, the whole.
Good work, thank you.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, Amazon Prime.
And we get a lot of packages. Can you not? That's kind of ours.
Amazon Prime Time. Prime Time Television. Questions? Just go.
Go.
Amazon Prime. Delivery service. Who the fuck was that? What is that? Was that the Amazon Prime guy? He's really cute, right?
Holy hell, this is complex.
Was there a line of Coke on that or what?
Well, this is very fresh. This is just put here.
No shit, we watched it run down the stairs. Swear to God, if you say that's fresh too.
This has been about a week.
We just watched it fall down the stairs. You do something to your back, you can't walk.
Be quiet though when you do. Come on, off this. Shh. He's gonna see you hide. What the fuck are you?
Hey Tyler.
Hey. Yes.
I'll make a distraction. Come on.
I think Reese wants you. Alright, that's a little unnecessary.
Bye Tyler.
Go. Go. Come.
Why the fuck? What?
you think he saw us? It's got something just for this. We can hide in plain sight. Camouflage. It's weird. Expected it to be bigger. What is this for?
It's a bag.
No, it's a ghillie suit.
It's a bag for the ghillie suit to go in. Your door broke.
Huh?
Your door broke.
Don't break my door, Joey. I'm trying to break into your room.
Randall, you ready to infiltrate? Go get him, Randall. Infiltrate.
Why is there a fat bush in our landing?
Which one?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What is that? What the fuck is this? What? Hey! Open this. What the? What is this?
Sorry, what?
What is? What's with this?
Door. No.
What's with all this shit?
Oh, it's just the password. You don't know the password?
What's this thing?
It's fingerprint sensor. You don't know the fingerprint password?
Did you know it was me the whole time under this?
Yes. So now, if you want to vape in my room, you can't.
But it's my room too.
I don't think so. If it's your room, then why don't you just put your fingerprint on there? Just throw it on there.
Well, it's not.
I don't think it's your room.
I can crack this.
Please don't actually crack my door.
I can get through this. Huh? Huh? Did I crack it yet?
No. How long are you gonna be out here?
Until I figure this out. I'm like the guy who cracked the Da Vinci Code right now. I'm like that guy in that movie who cracked code for the military. That's me. I cracked that code. Did you know he was gay? And he killed himself? If I don't crack this code, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna watch you put in the code. And I'm gonna crack it. Button thumbs. Remember that button thumb.
Thumb button.
Button thumb. Ah!
That's a tree, not a basketball goal.
What?
That's a tree, not a basketball goal?
This is my new plan.
Why the fuck are we outside?
We always go outside. We chill. We're bros.
It's
We
cold.
Chill. No, we chill outside. Remember all those times that we chill and just do things outside things?
I have a whole different apartment. I don't even live with you assholes.
You know what? I got this ball. It's very fingerprinty. I'm gonna throw it at Tyler. He's gonna catch it, and it's gonna leave his fingerprints, and we're gonna get in that room.
If it's really fingerprinty, how are we gonna know which one's which? Can I ignore that part?
The door will know.
The door will know?
The door will know.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, buddy, old pal, Tyler.
What?
Wanna play some b-ball out on the court?
It's not basketball.
Here, quick, catch! Dude, pass it back. Yes. Ha! We got you! Fingerprints! Fuck!
Clever. I thought. Don't break your actors.
This table is your door. I took martial arts.
Hey, Joey. Can we go play some games?
Sure.
What the fuck? What are you doing? Hey! Joey, did you get the password?
What?
Joey,
What?
Joey, are you on the inside?
No shit.
Figure out the code.
From the outside of the door, I'm gonna figure out the code.
Yeah, you're on the inside, man. Get the code.
Tyler, what's the code?
1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2.
Fucking It didn't work.
Sucks to suck.
The real code! Alright, Joey. You just keep playing that angle, Joey, alright?
Alright.
You get that code any way you can. I'll be out here waiting.
Okay.
It's kind of roughing it. You want to talk?
What?
Kind of emotional right now. You want to talk about things?
Yeah, sure, buddy. You just keep talking.
You know, how things have been, you know.
Am I gonna have to call the police?
Yeah. Yeah, because they have fingerprints and they can get in that door. Oh, shit. The phone's inside there now. You bastard! It's nighttime. It's nighttime.
Yeah.
It's nighttime.
We don't sleep at night.
I was asleep right now. I went to bed early. And we've got his razor here. Super sharp.
You cut yourself?
Yeah. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna cut his fingerprints off so we can put it on the door and get him.
How are you gonna get in?
God fucking damn it! Ah! It was a good plan, Joey. It was a good try. Good plan.
Yeah, maybe next time, buddy.
Not gonna work, though.
Maybe next time.
You should have thought about that. That was kind of dumb.
Yeah, you really should have.
No, you should have thought about that.
Yep, you definitely should have.
No, when you thought about that plan, you should have thought about we can't even get inside.
Yeah, next time when you spend 3 hours thinking of an idea, you should probably think it all the way through.
Shh.
What?
Shh. Be quiet.
We've been over this.
We gotta go across the border again. Again? Yeah, time for the border.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay.
You know the drill for border.
Hello. Oh.
You wanna play, see us go for a little bit?
I'm down.
Alright.
Gonna take a nap.
We'll be back in like 45 minutes. Actually, we don't even have to go tonight. We can go tomorrow.
I got stuff to do tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow?
Next week?
Yeah. I mean, I guess. I'll probably drive around a little bit with them back there. Get some food and stuff.
Alright.
See you next week! It's time to go. Is he playing mariachi music in the trunk?
I mean, he's Mexican.
He's really getting into this border thing. Sketchy places to mug someone.
This contact is not available.
Sketchy places to mug someone.
The list is empty.
No. Sketchy places to mug someone. Like rape and mug. No, just mug someone. Sketchy places to mug them and like get their fingerprints and get in their door because no, get in their door because they're assholes. They keep you out with the door locks. You gotta mug them and you know.
The list is empty.
This should do. Hey, border, we're here. We're at the border.
No?
This is what's a different spot than where we normally cross. They
It's Los?
They built a Lowe's. No.
Where?
No. I need you to hold this glass.
Hold glass?
Yeah, just hold this. Hold the glass.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, we got you. Fingerprints, bitch.
That was stupid.
Fingerprints.
What?
Fingerprints. We did all this just to get your fingerprints. Got you to hold this glass and everything.
Where are we?
Yeah, you know what? You can have this glass. You're gonna need it because you're gonna be thirsty out here. Ha. Let's go. Get it.
Wait, you gave...
Get it. Just get it. Go.
Oh, okay.
Gotta go. Yep. All you're gonna have is that glass. Ha.
The glass with his fingerprint on it, you fuck.
Oh, fuck. He's probably gonna wipe him off now. Damn it. Yeah, we can just leave him there.